is that the economy is behind most of the challenges this country faces. And I recall our secondary school, I can't forget my Form 4 in secondary school. And after Buhari took over in 1984 January, I was in Form 4 in secondary school in Japan. And I went to the library to read. And the headline was that Nigerian Guild of Editors visited the president. And what did they ask? They asked President Buhari, then the Military General, when will you remove subsidy? That was 41 years ago. And the president's response, I read, he said, removal of subsidy is good, but for now, we better subsidize it. And the economy keep on decaying. We keep on decaying. We keep on living on false economy. We keep on losing jobs every day. By 1999, I recall in 1990, I was doing my IT in Stanford in Bauchi as an undergraduate student. We produced the cars that were used in 1991 census. We designed it locally, manufactured it locally, and we had some of the cases, the company lockdown company that came in, but most of the components were designed locally. And that car was used, those trucks were used for 1991 census. By 2007, almost all those factories across the country were closed and shut down. We lost all the jobs. Why? We're running a parallel exchange. Most companies do not recoup what you invest in the country. And this part and parcel of the decay that we have in the country. And it led to so many backlash on people. Migration, not within that period. People migrate to look for jobs in Nigeria. Some of my teachers were Indians, some were Ghanaians, some were coming from different countries. We lost, at the point, we lost all this pressure of our economy. And then Nigerians started moving out. People say you take advantage of those vulnerable groups. You could move to a community village. And sometimes you feel this thing is just moving out of the country, and it's not. I recall I was in Onisha. Then I was an INEC commissioner. I went to conduct election in Anambra. And I was told that there are young Plateau girls who have been sneaked into a community there. And they are brought as cooks in a restaurant. But the job they do is beyond being cooks. And all the money they made was being taken and utilized by a woman. That by now, we can't do more than 1 million barrels per day. We are doing between 1.7 1.8 billion barrels per day. And I can keep giving the numbers. But these numbers must reflect on the people. They must reflect on the life of our people. And I keep on saying the indices that matters in the life of people goes beyond the federal government. Primary health is at the local government. Secondary health is at the state level. Primary education is at the local government. Secondary education is at the state level. The same thing with water. Water supply is never at the because the federal government doesn't own any land. So water distribution, generation distribution is at the local government and state level. And I can keep on giving the data. That's why this synergy in this your book needs that clear synergy that can boost the economy, that can build distribution of wealth, that can provide social services, and ensure that the vulnerable people are included in the economy, building an inclusive economy, that all of us can be part and parcel of it. And that's why I'm here today. I'm here as a mark of change. Before now, my party doesn't give a party chairman to anybody who is not a former governor. I'm not one. I'm the party chairman today. We make impossible changes. And I look forward to this, your book, being a mirror, like I said, a part for not just the APC, not just the government of the APC at the state level, at national level, but the state government and the local government being part and parcel of this change that can create a clear reflection between the people of Nigeria and the destiny of the young and vulnerable girls, especially. I want to call on all of you that this book is not just the pages that we have, but this book should be in your hearts. It should make sense, not on your shelves, because it's not the number of books you put in your shelves that matters, but the little iota of empathy, sympathy, emotions that you muster to make changes in this country and for these vulnerable people, that you speak loud for them, that matters. For the CSO, I look forward to more active voices for this vulnerable group. For the educationists, I want to do more researches that will impact on the life of our people. The people in government, I want to see policies in the National Assembly that will strengthen that framework. Not just the legal framework, but let's have an effective operational framework from you also. And let's see that synergy that bridges the CSO, the government, the politicians, people like us who are the corridor of power. Let all our voices be heard. With this, I want to thank you for coming. I welcome you to this magnificent stage that will give publicity to our voices and the vulnerable group. Last but not the least, it is also make an apology for coming late. It's in my character to come late, but I was late for some activities that I didn't know. I overbooked myself for today. And because I'll make the second apology, that I may not stay long, because I already have some other meetings waiting for me that I have to take an excuse to be there also. Having said that, I'm not a book launcher, but I must buy one of the books for my family and for the APC also, the one I can keep in the secretariat. I have 3 children. I have 1 wife, and the wife is here. And she knows that she's my only wife. I don't have 2 wives, not 3. And she likes reading also. She's PhD holder also, an associate professor. So I know she would like to read the book. I'll buy 1 copy for her. I have 3 kids. I'll buy 1 copy for each of them. And for myself, that's 5 copies. And I know that APC would like to have this because we shape policies. We talk to governments. We talk to the people. We can talk to legislators. I can call their attention because they're all my members. And they know. I interact with them. I meet with the National Assembly. I was the governors week before last on Thursday to interact with them. On Thursday, I was with them on Thursday. So that we can look at the policies of government and how we can shape policies. I raised my observation with them. What I feel they should do different. Changes that I feel the governors can do for our people. I meet with the National Assembly too, because I feel there are a legal framework that we can do to strengthen policies Because we have our manifesto as a government. And I think we can strengthen legal framework, an operational framework that can make the state and our people better. So I'm here. If you feel I need to talk to them, please tell me. I'll call their attention. And if you feel you want to have a nexus between the National Assembly and the government, not just at the national level, even the state governments, you want to have that nexus between them. We have most of the governors. We have 24, and we're still counting. I'm going to have more. That one I can assure you. No governor in Nigeria who knows that 2 years ago, they used to share roughly about 400 billion naira per month. And today, the last share they did was 2.2 trillion naira. No governor in Nigeria today collects less than 3 times, up to 4 times what they used to collect before. None. And that's the reason why most of them are coming to defend what they are collecting, so they can do more for their people. No governor collects loan against pay salaries. None. They are focusing now on mega projects. And to me, this is a turnaround that we did in governance. And we said, talk to your governors, talk to your local government chairman. Let them do more. At national level, we are doing more. We're talking to the APC governors, do more. So, I'm that nexus, I'm that bridge as a party chairman between government, civil societies, the public, our people, Nigeria. Because I'm concerned, as a chairman of the party, I want Nigeria to do well. I want Nigeria to do better. It's my prayer. It's my dream that our party is driving Nigeria in the right direction. So all that it takes to give Nigeria not just optics alone, but reality that Nigeria is better. I'm open. Having said that, I want to thank you for coming, and I appreciate your presence. And I'll buy each of those 7 books, 1 million naira each, 7 million naira. Thank you, and God bless you.